Hola, it's here, my computer. It's and here. I don't know if it shows. Channel Coax. But here is the life elixir. My happy ending putelka. Koskenkorva. This. We don't put anything inside. We just drink it like this. Just this is maybe 1000 time I have tasted, and always it is as tasty as before. I have to agree, this is best what you can buy from Finland. I know you can buy better stuff from Estonia or from Russia or from Poland, but in Finland this is best what we have. We are not alcoholic people here, so not so good. And this is limonade, Christmas apple limonade from Lidl, and it is good too, but it's empty. Then I have cigarettes, but I tried this. This is old, I don't know how old. This is maybe so many years old, but it tastes bad. It's not. I don't smoke it. I feel like I buy bonus because it tasted better. By the way, where the fuck is my bonus? Where the fuck is my bonus, saatana? Here. It is smart. I know I'm smart, but I like still bonus more. Let's see. And then we here is Scott. Scott is looking my camera. I have somewhere, I don't know where, but it is somewhere. Wait a second. I need jacket on because outside is pretty fucking cold. So fucking cold, and now you maybe notice I'm not in home, I'm in girlfriend house. I put fire in this. And then it is good. Here is how this city looks. This looks pretty well from here. We are in 3rd floor. This is maybe 10 meters from ground. You maybe can see it well, but and yes, do not ask me jump. I'm scared about high places, so I can't jump the floor. Hui saatan, hey, no. And there is sun somewhere there, and this is Avesome house. I like this lot more than my own. Middle of city and everything is near and and Koesome when summer comes, just sit down and watch how sun comes to here and take some beers and and just just be here. You don't need to do anything. And I never need to do anything, I mean. Here is some flies. They are freezed. The window. It's so cold here. Flies freeze the window. And at the moment here it's not fun to be outside because it is so cold. I think it's about 14-15 degrees minus. And there you see fucking sniegu, eli snow. I am not favorite to it. But anyway, now you have seen how this city looks from here. There goes cars. Not now, but maybe later. Maybe I test zoom if it works. Yeah, it works. Not high quality because this camera is something is talking in here, so I can't put high quality. And I don't know why my upload speed is not high, so it takes time. Net works pretty good here, but upload speed is low. I don't know why, but it is. But anyway, now I have smoked this and I go take some vodka and let's see if I can make more happy videos from late night today. Bye.